Welcome to Shine Week with Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what are we up to? Day 5. Yes, day 5. And what do we got going on for today? Well, this is one I've been wanting to try for a long time. A great channel over there called Still in the Clear. Winslow made a watermelon shine, and ever since I've seen it, I've just been wanting to try it, and I figured, hey, this is the best opportunity to do it. So I want to send out a big thank you to Cyrus and Winslow. I'm sure this is going to be delicious, but let's try it out. Okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need is 4 cups of watermelon. So let me just cut this right there. Ugh. Alright, let me get this, let me put that in this measuring cup. I want 4 cups of watermelon juice. So let me put some in here. This is a juicy watermelon. All right. I mean, mostly watermelon, well, it was mostly juice, right? I don't know what's going to have more juice in the bowl or me. Okay. So I just want to kind of mash this up a little bit. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to have quite 4 cups yet. Okay. Alright, let me finish getting this cut up, then I'll be right back. I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to just put that in there. I got me a hot bag, just a muslin bag, just to strain. I want to strain all the seeds and stuff out. Put that over top of that. Let's see if this will work. I ain't quite sure how much watermelon it takes to make 4 cups. Watermelon is a fantastic flavor. And I can just squeeze. If I get a little bit more than 4 cups, that's fine. I'll just add a little bit more shine to it if I have to. What do I got so far? I'm almost up to my 4 cups. Okay. Let me finish getting that squeezed and then I'll... Alright, like I said, I'll put all the ingredients down into the description box. So let's get started. So what we want to do is we want to add everything in to the my cooking pot here except for the alcohol. So I got 4, that is pretty looking color. I got 4 cups of watermelon juice, and it's filled strained. I got a handful of raisins. Okay. Now I need a half of a cup of apple juice. Half a cup of apple juice. I need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, that was all up. Okay. And where is it? I need 2 cups of sugar. Now, I got a half cup measuring spoon here. Where the other one went? Alright. A half a cup of sugar. There's a half, 2 cups of sugar. There's 1, 1.5, 2. Okay? Alright, so what I want to do is heat this up, stir it until I can melt the sugar, let it simmer just for a few, and then we'll get ready to move on to the next step, okay? Okay, I brought that up to a simmer. Give it one final stir. And what I got is a funnel with a small sieve inside of it. So I'm going to try to pour this into the, it's a half a gallon mason jar. Okay. Let me let that cool off. Okay. That's cooled down. Now the fun part. I got, well, there's about 1, 2, about 3 cups I could put in there. So basically what you want to do is you want to add, the recipe calls for 2 cups of shine. Now this is 100 proof shine. And that's what the recipe calls for. So, but it's up to you. If you like yours a little bit stronger, a little bit weaker, whatever the case may be of what you want. I'm going right to there. Alright, now, I want to taste this so bad, but I'm not going to. I know it's going to be delicious. I know it's going to be delicious. We're going to have our tasting on Sunday, so I'm really looking forward to that. Once again, Cyrus, Winsong, thank you so much for the recipe. I know it's going to be good. I've been waiting for this one. I guess the only thing I got left to say. Hey, thanks for stopping Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Oh, look at it. Oh, that looks so delicious. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.